Welcome back to another video, Bass Luck Fishing with my son, brother-in-law. Today, all we're doing, topwater fishing. That's the main purpose today. Again, frog bite, guys. I haven't gotten my first fish. Hopefully we'll make it happen today. I have a 6 cent touch frog. Brother-in-law has another type of frog. I think it's an Ozark. He just got his first bait caster. Let's see how the day goes. Stay tuned. You know how to set it up, right? Can I see? You have your braking system where you can lose the one on the side. So, oh, your freaking brakes, bro. Super loose. Max Pro. Damn, this is a really nice bait caster. That should be fine. Okay, next thing, open up the spool. You see how the frog's not moving down, right? Like at all. You want to loosen up the tension up until it starts moving down. Too fast? Okay. Ooh, look at that freaking action, boy.
It's moving like the fish that you had.
Mm-hmm. Damn. Ooh, that cast though, boy. This is so tiring. Bro, there's no way there's no fish there, bro. Come on, you can't tell me there's no fish there, bro. I'm telling you, they don't like this frog, bro. No, it's a whopper plopper. Buzzbait, sorry, this is a buzzbait, yeah. Outstanding, bro. It may not be a topwater day. It's way too hot. Let's focus on getting the skunk out of the boat. Wait. What if we do that for now? Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, you need to get the skunk out of the boat, bro. And it's gonna happen with this, watch. It's actually kind of clear here. I can see everything underneath. So the water is not that dark. White colored swim bait. Oh, I got one. Ah. Oh, I got him. I got him. Good stuff. Oh. Oh, dude, it's a big one. Gordo, can you get him? Get him? Yes, sir.
That could be like a 10-pounder.
Thank you, dude. Holy shit. Bro, look at this fish, dude.
Oh, that could be like a 10-pounder or something like that.
No, it's a good pounder, though. Oh, he wasn't coming out. He was hooked.
Let's take a bite to him.
There we go. Dude, what the heck, dude? She is huge. Yeah. Damn. Damn, boy, she's big. All right, put her back. Wait, you gotta give her a kiss. Okay. Slowly put her in. Slowly. There you go. And off she goes. See that? There you go. You're set, bro. Topwater fishing went into swim bait fishing, bro. I mean, is it considered topwater if the fish blows up? Right?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, I got him. Oh. Come on, dude. Right here. I'm gonna switch. There you go. Get mine. Get my rod. Here. Hell yeah, dude. Get the catch, but watch. Hey. Hell yeah, dude. Sure. Almost 2, bro. You gotta smell it, bro. You gotta kiss it. Hell yeah. Get that nice release there, boy. Later, buddy. I can go home now. Oh, you can cast the shit out, bro. Oh, I got hammered, bro. Oh, I'm stuck, dude. Dude, my hook set was funny as shit. Ah, he got off, dude.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Damn it. Oh, I didn't get it. Anyways, I just caught another 3-pounder. I thought I had you guys recording, but I was recording, but I guess it wasn't. Beautiful fish, man. Look at this. Beautiful, mama. There you go.
The water it is.
There she goes. Thank you. Come on. Whoa! Scared the heck out of me. Dude, I wasn't recording again. Jesus. Fish number 3. What is going on with me today?
You know.
Guys, I honestly thought I was recording. Another 3, guys. Man. Beautiful fish. Nice little mama. There you go. Make sure I'm recording now. Just to freaking decided not to be recording. Well, I got some good fish action. Bruh. I apologize. Gotta be a fish here, bro. Gotta be a fish here. Got to be one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep. I told you, bro. I freaking called it. Ooh, look at these sizes, though, dude. Yep. No. He didn't follow it. It's right here, bro. He freaking choked it, dude. Look at this. Oh, she's skinny, bro. Skinny. Let me get fatter. Grow up to be a 10, right? There she goes. Oh, yep, I got it. Gordo, come here. 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 Grab it. Grab it. Start reeling. Reel it. Grab it. Go. Lift it up. Whoa. Hold on. Ready? Bring him up. It's in there. No, stop reeling. Boom. Yeah, stop. Okay. There you go. There. Hey. Grab the fish. You're gonna do it. Yeah, this is your fish. Grab him from here. Now take the hook out. Now, this is what you have to do. You're gonna go like this, and then hit it. Harder. Yeah, you go like this, right? Yeah. There you go. Grab him. Your first fish, boy. Okay, go ahead and release him. Hey, you got him? There you go. Get him in. Ah, come on, bro. I got it on camera. All right, guys, that's it for the day. It's getting hot. I'm hungry. I haven't gotten breakfast yet. We ended up getting a few fish on a swim bait. We were able to hook up my brother-in-law on a few fish. My son got one. All right, that was it. How was your experience, bro?
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Can't wait for another try.
All right, so he's never gone fish on the lake before, so this is his first time. So it was good. We got 2 fish. That was it. We were here for a topwater bite. Obviously, it didn't happen. It wasn't calling for it, but you know, we did what we could. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.